Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So once again, it's me Jeffy. So today's video, it's another unboxing, and this is actually part of the continuation of my previous video. This time is all about Android. So what I got here is Vivo. So there you go. No, I'm just kidding. So the phone that I will be unboxed today, as you can see on the descriptions, I would like to shout out the agent who assisted me to purchase and you know, doing all those stuff at store. So shout out kay Richard sa Mobilizer store, and also kay Miss Ira to assist me and also giving me all the freebies. So thank you so much, and more sales to you guys. So yun. Moving on to the unboxing. So once again, what I have here is the ONEPLUS 7 Pro. So ONEPLUS 7 Pro, you have this white top box, and then you have there, kapag hindi mo siya talaga makita ng malapitan, you will never notice na meron siyang Pro dito. So at the bottom, it's a plain white. And then on top, you have the ONEPLUS, and then the orange signature, you know, signature color. And then on the side, it says go beyond speed. Now at the bottom, you have all the specs and also the orange bottom signature for the ONEPLUS. So ayun nga, going back, so at the back you have the signature color of the ONEPLUS 7 Pro, which is orange bottom box. And then at the back, you have the actual specs. So you have the 12 RAM or 12 gig of RAM, and then 256 gigabyte storage. So what else? You have there, it says Qualcomm Snapdragon, and then other stuff. So yan. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remove the top cover. So again, this was already unboxed kasi again, testing, make sure the screen is not damaged. So make sure na everything is good. So that is actually you know, required for you to be able to check, para syempre avoid na rin yung hassle. So everything should be checked sa store. So once you open the box, you have the orange welcome kit. So in welcome kit, you have this signature ONEPLUS orange envelope. So inside the orange envelope, so yeah, so same, you have the actual free rubber case. So ito siya. And then what you have here, I don't know what is all about. So it's in Chinese language. And then the actual envelope itself. So let's open it. So what you have in here, first you have the again, SIM pin. So again, it's very important na itago siya. And then it says on the back, never settle. And then next is the actual, I believe this is the manual. So go beyond speed, never settle. So hindi ko na masyado i-review yung pinaka in-depth detail about the actual manual. And then next is, I believe this is a warranty card. But again, it's written in Chinese Mandarin. And then last same sa Apple, sa meron din siyang sticker. So, may signature stickers na, may signature stickers sila. So, ito yung laman ng welcome kit itself. So, I'm gonna put everything back here. Alright, so now moving on to the actual unit itself. So, pag tinanggal niyo yung pinaka envelope or pinaka kit, so ito siya, you'll see the unit itself. It says never settle at the cover, so the screen, the fingerprint, something. So let's see. So before we open the actual unit itself, let's find out what other stuff you have here. So the actual plug, which is napakalaki niya, and then the cover, and then the cable, so the charging cable. Now, this phone, it doesn't have any headset or earphone. So what happened here, the store provided me a free Bluetooth speaker. So once again, thank you so much for the Bluetooth speaker, Miss Ira. I do really appreciate the freebies. Now, let's move on to the product itself. So, yan. Tanggalin lang muna natin yung sticker. So, be careful. So, what I got is the Nebula Blue. So, at the back, it has 3 lenses. And then it says ONEPLUS, and then the IMEI number, and there you go. So the front camera of this ONEPLUS is pop-up camera. So as you see, meron siyang something here. And then at the bottom, so ito yung volume, the I don't know what kind of USB. I'm sorry because I'm not really an Android user. I'm more of iOS. So once again, the reason why I bought this, kasi this is for my nephew. So yun. Ayan, so again, the SIM card slot, the USB or charger, and then the microphone. So let's open the actual unit itself. So it says ONEPLUS Android. So you feel the vibrate once you click the power button. So this was initially set up sa store. So ito siya. The screen protector. So ayan. So hindi ko alam kung paano na siya. So ayun. So the screen protector or the screensaver actually is moving. So it says Wednesday. Oh my gosh, ano ba yung hawakan ko? Well, actually, when it comes to the experience compared to iPhone, it has a full screen, whereas my iPhone SX Max So I don't know. So again, I'm not that much into detail, but good thing this phone has a good review. So sabi nga swipe up. So ito yung mga apps, pre-installed apps. So let's say camera. So let's lift the camera. So ayan. So front camera na yung ginagamit ko. So I'll just take a video. Hello, this is the video test. I'm using the ONEPLUS 7 Pro. Once again, this is a video test using the ONEPLUS 7 Pro. So let's test a portrait. Meron din siyang portrait. And then nightscape. What else? So yan. I'm gonna upload the information or the comparison between the video and then also the as well as the picture. Hello, this is the video test. I'm using the ONEPLUS 7 Pro. Once again, this is a video test using the ONEPLUS 7 Pro. Now, when it comes to sound quality, maganda naman yung sound quality niya. So again, this is not my phone, so I'll just unbox this one. So thank you so much for watching. So again, on my next video, I will be doing a shout out and also a giveaway. So thank you so much, since we have already almost 600 subscribers. So please if you like the video, click thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also you can click the notification bell icon for you notified whenever I got my new upload video. So again, let's support each other, and thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye. Hello, this is the video test. I'm using the ONEPLUS 7 Pro. Once again, this is a video test using the ONEPLUS 7 Pro.